Let me guide you, main thing don't panic, the shit is vital, on the Bible, how you, I asked her, be can I ride you, bitches think they can rap and shit, period, different tag with it, when they bloody, main thing don't panic, bitch just put down the pen, this is how it should sound for men, fuck a bitch, I don't need a friend, get your money, never discuss with her what the fuck you spend, if you did it, trust me, just never involve a product, and niggas no longer masculine, get a bitch, get the confident.